Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Subaru STI. Stock number is A6907. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior makes for a very comfortable ride. Up top you have a panoramic sunroof. Swinging around to the back end, you have dual exhaust on the back and a rear backup camera. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, manual transmission, and you have dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this WRX on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.